Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put application on desktop in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my laptop with Windows 11, and if you want to put application to this desktop, first thing first, you need to go to the start menu, or you can click on this Windows icon like this, and you need to click on all apps and choose an application you want to add to your desktop. For instance, I'm going to add or put my Spotify application to my desktop, this one. And if you want to put this application to desktop, we just need to drag it like this. Okay, and as you can see guys, that now my Spotify application is on my desktop. Alright guys, and that's how we can put application on desktop in Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.